medical condition called BP, blood pressure. There are two kinds of blood pressure. One is high blood pressure or hypertension, and another one is low blood pressure or hypotension. In this video, I am gonna tell you something regarding hypotension, low blood pressure. All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel ONS Yoga. ONS Yoga चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है. If you have low blood pressure, then how you can get rid of this? In general, people are concerned about high blood pressure as it is a condition where most of the people suffer different kind of life-threatening disease if it is not controlled. Blood pressure means the measurement of pressure of the blood in our arteries, the blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood from the heart to tissues of the body. Blood pressure lower than 90/60 is considered as low blood pressure. Low blood pressure is not generally treated as a disease, but a sudden drop of blood pressure or people suffering from low blood pressure for prolonged period can't be a good sign for one's health. There can be various conditions that can lead you to hypotension, includes low heart rate, issue with thyroid gland, low blood sugar level, anemia during pregnancy, and most importantly, a poor diet maintained. But not like the hypertension, hypotension can be significantly treated by making few lifestyle changes such as increasing water and salt intake, avoiding or limit alcoholic drinks, and having smaller meal 6 to 8 times a day instead of 3 major meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. What are the symptoms of low blood pressure? Few symptoms of low blood pressure includes dizziness, nausea, fainting, dehydration, lack of concentration, blurred vision, vertigo, rapid breathing and depression. By changing your lifestyle and taking some particular food, you can increase your blood pressure. The difference between high blood pressure diet and low blood pressure diet is very funny. Foods that you eliminate during hypertension, you need to take all that in hypotension. Drink more fluid to hydrate your body. Water with lemon and salt you need to consume several times a day. Food high in vitamin B12 such as eggs, meat, fatty fish and milk or dairy products such as ghee, paneer, cheese and green leafy vegetables. Now let's come with me, the place where I do practice each and every day in the morning, and learn what all yoga activities you need to do to control your low blood pressure, to increase your blood pressure level up to 120/80. There is no particular asana by performing which you can switch from low blood pressure to normal blood pressure. You need to keep your mind three most important things if you have low blood pressure, if you want to get rid of your hypotension. That is stability, balance and power. You have to work on these three words. Pranayama is the another way to increase oxygenated blood inside your body. I do suggest you to do Anulom Vilom first, then partially breathing and Udgrid. These three pranayama you need to do, and the most importantly, after having your meal, after dinner or after lunch, you must have to perform Surya Bhedi pranayam, because you need heat inside your body if you have low blood pressure. Inhale from right nostril, exhale from left nostril. No audible sound should be there when you are performing Surya Bhedi pranayama for increase your body heat for low blood pressure. And Anulom Vilom. Inhale from left nostril, exhale from right nostril. Again, inhale from right nostril, exhale from left nostril. This is one round. Alternate nostril breathing. And Udgrid. I generally do Udgrid with Om Namah Shivaya chanting. You can do as well, or you can do Om chanting only. Om Nama And now if you talk about the stability, then one twisting pose, that is Ardha Maschandras. Place your leg. I have so many videos on it, so I am not describing you how to perform. I have one playlist called Asana and one playlist called Pranayama. All the details, Anulam Vilom, Udgit, Bhamri, and all the asana you can get from there. I am giving the link in the description as well as in the I button. The playlist called Pranayama and Asana, you can check it. Ardha Maschandrasana. Try to hold this position as much as you are comfortable. Means 30 seconds to 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Stability. This is called the stability. You have to be firm on your yoga mat. You can stretch your leg in between. And the power means push up, means the Dandasana. Make yourself firm on mat in one straight line and go downwards slowly by counting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold your position for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now get up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As much as possible. Look, just I am on my big toe. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what is balance? Balance means you need to perform some balancing asana like Vrikshasana. You can do Padangushta asana is there, very balancing yoga poses. You need to practice this also for improving your balance. Stability, balance and power you need to improve to get rid of your hypotension. Partially breathing. Inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. When you are exhaling, make your mouth like you are blowing something. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy, signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye. Lord Shiva bless you all. See you in next video. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.
You have hypotension means your blood pressure level is low. That means you are lacking of hemoglobin. Means the red blood cell can